Sex linkage is of 4 types. It can be divided into the 4 types. These are sex-linked inheritance, sex-linked inheritance. Another one is sex-influenced inheritance, sex-influenced inheritance, influenced inheritance. Another one is sex-limited inheritance, sex-limited inheritance. And last one is Y-linked inheritance. This is the Y-linked inheritance. Y-linked inheritance. So, sex linkage can be divided into these 4 categories: sex-linked inheritance, sex-influenced inheritance, sex-limited inheritance, and Y-linked inheritance. I am going to just give the comparative account between these 4 types of inheritance. In sex-linked inheritance, genes are located on X chromosome. When genes are located on X chromosome, it is called sex-linked inheritance. For sex-influenced inheritance, genes are located on autosomes. Genes are located on autosomes. Whereas, in the case of sex-limited inheritance, genes are also located on autosomes. Genes are also located on autosomes. Whereas, in the case of Y-linked inheritance, the genes are located on Y chromosome. Genes are located on Y chromosome. So, from this column, we can easily distinguish the two, that is the sex-linked inheritance and Y-linked inheritance. But you can clearly see that there is some sort of similarities between sex-influenced inheritance and sex-limited inheritance. So, we have to distinguish between these two also. In the case of sex-influenced inheritance, here is the reversal of dominance. Reversal of dominance possible. Reversal of dominance means the case of sex-influenced inheritance can be greatly influenced by the type of the sex hormone. Male hormone cannot reverse the dominance, whereas female hormones can reverse the dominance. But in the case of sex-limited inheritance, there is no any role of sex hormones. It means no reversal of dominance. No reversal of dominance. No reversal of dominance is possible. So, here we can easily distinguish between these two, that is the sex-influenced inheritance and sex-limited inheritance. Another clue for this kind of sex linkage is, in the case of sex-linked inheritance, there is criss-cross inheritance. Criss-cross inheritance. Criss-cross inheritance means expression of characters in alternate generation. Expression of character in alternate generation, this kind of inheritance is called criss-cross inheritance, whereas this type of inheritance is not possible in any of the rest 3 cases. In all these 3 cases, expression of character always occurs in continuous generations. The typical example of sex-linked inheritance is the hemophilia. Typical example is hemophilia and all eye diseases, including color blindness, etc. Color blindness, etc. Example of this sex-influenced inheritance is baldness. Baldness means premature fall of hairs. And mind it, it is not a disease, it is a character. Another example of sex-limited inheritance is secretion of milks in female. Secretion of milk in females. Or growth of beard and mustaches in males. So, actually, the sex-limited inheritance, one important point here is, one character is limited to only one sex only. For example, secretion of milk occurs only in female, it never occurs in the case of males, whereas development or growth of beard and mustaches only in males, not in females. So actually these characters are present on the autosomes, but at a time expressed only in one sex, and that's why it is called sex limited inheritance. And typical example of this Y-linked inheritance is hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosis means growth of hairs on external ear. Growth of hairs on external ears. Can you tell any famous personality who has this character? Okay, right now let me tell the famous former railway minister of India, that is Lalu Prasad Yadav, has this character, that is the hypertrichosis. And the person who has hairs on external pinna, it is hypertrichosis. It is not a disease, it is a kind of character. And this is the comparison between sex-linked inheritance, sex-influenced inheritance, sex-limited inheritance and Y-linked inheritance. Any doubt or any confusion? Okay. Now I am going to discuss some of the problem based on sex-linked inheritance. I will solve only one, rest of the problem you will have to solve. Okay.